Hi everyone, this is Blondie's Adventures, and guess where we're at today? Albanese Candy Factory, and we're gonna get some goodies. Come along. Alright, we are here in Albanese Candy. Of course, the Travis Hoosier is looking for
bubblegum. That's going with me.
Whoa. So it's about 99 cents. He's already got one thing in his basket. Let's see what else we got here. Pretty busy. It's decorated in Valentine's style. Pretty busy today. Alright. Oh, look at that. Goodies.
And I was about to say, so I couldn't see her.
Well, he came to my house over Christmas break and stayed the night after.
What did you find?
Smarty suckers.
Ooh, how much were they?
25 cents each.
That's not bad. 25 bucks.
I'm not buying a bunch of little new.
They got Easter baskets already for Easter. Ooh, yum yums. Ooh, Valentine's candy. Oh, we just get some chocolate stars. All the goodies.
Yeah.
Get a lot of Valentine decorations up. We got all this. Here's my favorite. Is the Buckeyes and the Milky Ways is one of my favorites. Some Gummy Bears. They have St. Patty's candy. Got it decorated on Valentine's right now. Eventually it'll be Easter again. Here's some baskets. Pretty baskets. Little souvenirs. Oh, this is cute. Little suckers. It's pretty busy. Here's some sugar-free. More Valentine. A lot of Valentine stuff still out. A lot of them are clearance because Valentine's is just, oh. got all kinds of gummy bears. Little bags, like for Easter baskets and stuff. It's all 50% off. So cute. Mickey Mouse. More bears. Look at that, they have some football and little other suckers. A lot of neat stuff you could put on in Easter baskets. Popcorn. That's cute. Sharks. Alligator. Marshmallow Rice Krispie treats. That's something different. Some fudge. It's $8.99. Old s'mores. No stuffed animals, cats. You got gum and all sorts of little candies. All sorts of different things. A lot of goodies. They even got candy corn.
Poppers are not sour.
They even got little onesies for babies. Gummy with
Gummy
the
with an A on the tummy.
That's pretty cool. And then they got
I'm gonna go get
different sizes. Oh, here's the Misfits candy. $10 for a big bag. Alrighty, let's go check out. Alright, we're in the checkout lane. And let's see how much.
time to pay the piper.
Yes, and look at all those goodies we have in that basket. Here we go. Let's see how much the Trevor Hoosier is buying. The grand total is almost. It's getting there. 39. 44. He's down in a little binge of chocolate that he's not supposed to have. I only picked 3 things out and, no, 4 things out and determined who got more. The grand total is
All right, 62.57.
62.